Today's February 14th, 2019. It's Valentine's Day and episode 44 of PlaneSavers. Good morning, everybody. It is minus 26 degrees Celsius, minus 15 degrees Fahrenheit here in Yellowknife. It is Valentine's Day. Did you remember? If you're watching this, it's probably too late because Valentine's Day is almost over. But yeah, hopefully you remembered. I did, and I set up probably a tour of the most romantic place in all of Yellowknife. I'm going to take Stella too. We'll be getting to that pretty quick. But first, I promised the the 8mm film that was found. Let's go inside and check that out. And before we go, what do we got here? Enhancing the audio, ATR. That was first stare ATR 42. But first, let's go to Ecuador, where we have a new plane saver.
Hey Mikey, hello from Ecuador, and this is PlaneSavers Ecuador. This is one of half a dozen DC-3s or C-47s that are preserved in Ecuador. We are in La Tacunga, in the international airport of Cotopaxi. I am a student pilot here, and yeah, I just wanted to show you one of the Ecuadorian Air Force's C-47s that are here. Thank you.
Guys, I hope you liked that little hello from Ecuador. That was very, very cool. Whew, let's go inside. Let's tackle that 8mm footage I've been teasing. And yeah, after that, let's head out, and I'm going to bring you guys on probably the most romantic aviation date you could do in Yellowknife with Stella for Valentine's Day. And let me know if you could give any aircraft in the world a Valentine. Which aircraft would that be? Let me know in the comments. What is your Valentine's Day airplane crush? Awesome. Okay, warm up and let's go. Dear Mikey, I knew I had footage of a DC-3 I filmed in 1978 with an old double 8mm camera. Now, thanks to PlaneSavers' inspiring show, I've spent several hours and days trying to locate the film and finally found it. And I was shocked to discover it was none other than CF-DTD, taking off from Chibougamau, Quebec Municipal Airport. The quality is very poor and no sound, but it's better than nothing, and I hope you can make it use of it. Keep up the good work, Jean-Pierre Carton, ex-Nordair base manager. That's very, very cool. This footage is over 40 years old, and the first time anyone's getting to see it is right now. Just think of the chances Jean-Pierre watching PlaneSavers and going back into his archives and actually finding the exact airplane we're trying to save. This is absolutely, once in a lifetime footage, and I can't thank Jean-Pierre enough for spending the time to find and locate this footage. It's truly amazing that this is the airplane we're trying to save right here. Well, folks, I got to put this in perspective. Not only is that footage of our D-Day airplane flying, that is the only footage ever that we have possession of or even seen of our actual airplane flying. There's pictures, but this is the only footage. And the chances that this PlaneSavers show has uncovered that is just mind-boggling, and just hammers down the importance of why I'm doing this show daily, is to get the information out there for discoveries like this. I couldn't be happier. Oh man, Jean-Pierre, thank you. We're reaching out to you right now to ask if we can have the original film, because I want to send it out and get it professionally remastered. They put it through like $1 million machine, frame by frame, and we can restore that footage and make it look like, film. And so hopefully you can do that for us. You just made the month. You are the PlaneSavers viewer of the month by far. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I know Benoit, our historian, is going to go crazy when he sees that. And yeah, that's so amazing. Whew. Oh, and how can this day get any better? Well, we're going to have to start with Valentine's Day. And I'm going to jump in a truck with Stella, and we're going to head to our Valentine's Day location. So please join me on a little trip. Okay, so that was Joe taking off the red deer. Hopefully you like that footage, and you can kind of see where we're going, eh, Stella?
Where are we going?
You know where we're going.
No,
it was on the title card.
I haven't seen it yet.
Oh. Okay, so the 46 behind me here is going to be taking off pretty soon, and we're going to go see that from the Yellowknife Tower. So Nav Canada has been super awesome in allowing us to go film in the tower today, and I thought I might as well bring Stella. 2-for-1 deal, Valentine's date and tower. Okay, folks, here we are in the tower. You know, I don't know if I've ever been up here. I think maybe once, but I should remember that walk up here. It's a long walk. Cool. So Hanson, what's going on up here?
Oh, hi. Yeah, like Mike said, this is the air traffic control tower run by Nav Canada at the Yellowknife Airport. Anybody who wants to move on the airport needs authorization from us. The main job is to keep the runways clear for the arrivals, departures, and then we kind of move out from there. As far as the tower position goes, anybody who's operating inside the Yellowknife control zone, which is 5 miles and 3,000 feet above ground, has to have authorization from us to operate in here. So that makes sure that we can safely move as much traffic as possible.
Now this is the interesting part.
Yeah, exactly. How do we see out when the sun's shining in our face?
It's like Star Trek.
Yeah, it's all about...
Lower with the blast shields or whatever they call it.
Yeah.
All right, well, now the one thing I actually get a lot of questions about is the runways. What are the runway numbers, and what are we seeing here from an orientation point of view?
Okay, so this tower, we're facing south. So this is our, we call it the main runways, the longer of the two runways. So it's runway 16 and 34. And then our east-west runway is a little bit shorter at 5,000 feet, and it's runway 1028.
Now, how often do they change? Because how long ago was it 09?
I think it was 2011 they changed it. So the magnetic pole is moving slowly every year. And once it's drifted past that, that halfway mark, they'll have to renumber the runways. So it's a process that's ongoing.
Yeah, my name's Seamus. I'm the site manager here in Yellowknife for Nav Canada. Just wanted to talk a little bit about the company. Nav Canada is a separate organization from the government. A lot of people think we're part of the government or work for the airport, but that's not the case. It's a national company. We manage all the flight service stations and air traffic control towers and area control centers across the country.
And what position are you guys hiring the most right now? What are you looking for?
Well, right now we need a couple controllers here in Yellowknife. To enter that recruitment process, all you need is be 18 years of age and have a high school diploma. We do the rest of the training once you make it through the recruitment process, but that all happens in Edmonton, and then we do typically classes of 4 people at a time, and then distribute those people wherever we need them. And then, like I said, in Yellowknife, we could use a couple right now, so we're hoping to get some people in the next little while. Oh, yeah, it's a pretty sweet office. Anson showed you around. It's a great job. You know, it's a fantastic organization to work for. The pay and benefits are really good, and it's a really cool job. You know, especially in places like Yellowknife here, you get to work sort of on the frontier a little bit, if you will. Where else are you going to get to talk to really cool airplanes like C-46s and DC-3s and 737-200s? Lots of Twin Otters around. We have really cool traffic off the bays in the summertime. You know, Joe's flying around in his old Navy's, Twin Otters down there, and some old Radio Beavers for Amic Air. So it's a really cool place to work for sure. Great job, and like I said, it all starts at takecharge.navcanada.ca.
So Stella, what do you think? Anson's been showing you around.
Yeah, I want to start working here. Sorry, Joe.
So what do you like the most about being up here?
The view. I love that the planes look like as small as cars. Like, they just look so small. I love that. Looks like you can just pick them up like Lego bricks and play with them.
Should we call the 46 and see why it's taking them so long?
You want to hear them?
guys like that C46 taking off. We got a Summit ATR 72 down there, enhancing the audio. But hopefully that was good. Hopefully you like that little tour of the control tower. The guys in here are doing an amazing job. Hope Stella liked it, because that's our Valentine's Day date. Let's head to the hangar, and I got one little more surprise for you, and then I can let you enjoy Valentine's. Thank you. Stella, you walking the dog?
Yeah, I always walk the dog in the hangar.
Okay, thanks. Thank you for the hardcores that have lasted this long in the video. You guys are the true, PlaneSaver fans. And now I want to give something back to you guys. Here's the surprise. I'm going to custom draw one of you guys a custom piece of artwork for myself. I don't know what I'm going to draw yet. Depends on who wins. But I got a little skill testing question. So the first person who can email PlaneSavers@gmail.com the answer to these two questions. In all of the episodes of PlaneSavers, I've only filmed at one restaurant. What's the name of the restaurant? And two, what date did LFR land back in Canada after World War II? So there you go. Do you know the answers?
Well, yeah, I'm not saying it.
So there you guys go. Good luck, and whoever emails PlaneSavers@gmail.com first gets a custom piece of artwork. So happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Did I kiss the cheek?
No.
Oh man. Okay, see you guys.